try to make y'all comfortable. For the record, we try to grow that stuff for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Zoe, aka Melanie the Beauty, back with you guys again for another awesome YouTube video. I know it's been a minute, and y'all probably tired of me saying, I know it's been a minute. I've been kind of slacking because I've just been kind of tired, dealing with a lot of stuff, so I've been tired. So, I got a couple of beauty videos that I'm going to be doing for you guys, like facials, trying out new products, and all of that stuff. So today, I will be trying out a product I got from Amazon. I'll be getting all my packages from Amazon too, so I haven't had any problems. I've had a few packages that came like late, but a lot of them have been coming on time or earlier than expected. But today, we gon' do a wax and video, wax and video, wax and video. I've already done an unboxing or a waxing, talking about the waxing kit that I already use every month, and it's an actual waxing kit, a hot waxing kit that you have to heat up and all of that. So check out that video. This is my first time using wax strips, okay? And today I'm gonna use them under my underarms because they are hairy. I don't usually shave anyway. I prefer to wax. So when I wax down there, I don't wax up here usually because there's nothing wrong with having hair under there, okay? So that's just my personal preference. I know I do have some queens that do keep their underarm hair, and I salute you guys because there ain't nothing wrong with that, because I would walk out the house like this, okay? Underarm hair and everything. But today, I'm gonna go ahead and wax it off for you guys with these wax strips. So like I said, I got them off of Amazon. They came out to like $14 total, and that includes tax and everything. I'm not 100% sure if they still have this exact brand because I got these a few months ago and I haven't used them yet up until now. So I'll post the link below anyway, and you guys can find a similar one to this and try them out. If they do come back in stock, I may go ahead and buy them myself and do them as a giveaway. So I haven't even opened it up, so we're gonna open it up. Okay, so it says caution. It has a caution thing. It tells you how to do it on the back and everything. I brought some scissors because I can only assume the wax strip is gonna be this big here, and you can cut it. You can do your yoni with it, you can do your eyebrows, you can do your underarms, whatever you guys want to wax. You can do your legs, your arms, all of that stuff. I may do another video for you guys. Oh gosh, this comes with a lot, low key. Low key. Comes with a nice amount of these jokers. How many comes in here? Let's see. It doesn't necessarily say how many comes in here. Okay, so let's see. The instructions say you're supposed to gently rub the wax strip between your hands for 30 seconds till it reaches body temperature. Carefully tear across the wax strip and divide it into 2 pieces. This is a lot of wax strips, I feel like. Tightly stick the side with the wax part to the hair that you want to remove. Press it and level it downwards. This time is not allowed to exceed 6 seconds. Immediately tint skin with one hand, so you know you pull it, and then you rip the paper off in an upward motion, as you would, you know, do your regular wax. So yeah, like I said, you can take the scissors and make them into smaller pieces if you need to. So this is how big it is. It's pretty big. I don't need all that. I don't need all that. So it comes in like 3 packs in here. So we're gonna open one of these jokers up. Kind of smell weird, maybe. Kind of smell weird. Okay, so that's the one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's like 30 of these little strips, and you could take one and break it into 2. So that's a good little deal for like $13, guys. And you can use it on your whole body, okay? All right, so we're going to do one arm at a time, of course. So it said, like I said, to rub it. So it can get to body temperature. All right. For 30 seconds. I'm so curious to know how this is gonna work out, y'all. I'm trying to think if I should like cut this. I'm not even gonna, I'm gonna cut off a little bit because I need some room. I'm not gonna cut it all off because like I said, I do need some room to, I cut it that big. So I only cut this much off. So like you can use it on your eyebrows and stuff, but that whole strip I don't want on my underarm. So I ain't even gonna play with it. Alright, so you rip it apart, carefully tear it apart. That wasn't careful. That didn't work. So, try it again. Because I get wax on this one and not on that one. So, alright. We're gonna need a full 30 seconds here. So, I'm gonna start by cutting it up again. I'm gonna just do this. Room temperature that way. I mean, body temperature that way. 30 seconds. Okay, so that was a full 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna just, that worked out a lot better having it on my chest than onto my hands because my hands are little, so that didn't work. All right, guys. I'm gonna set the other one down carefully so wax doesn't get on anything. I probably should have still cut this thinner. Alright, so, alright, I'm just gonna stick the side with the wax part into the hair growth and press level downward. So, I am gonna look in the mirror as I'm doing this. Oh, I should have went up some more because it's a little piece right here. Alright, so bloop, bloop, bloop. Oh my gosh. No more than 6 seconds. So 6 rubs, 6 seconds. All right, probably did more than 6 seconds. Okay. So immediately tense up the skin how you would with a regular wax thing. I don't know if it really got in there or not. That looks nasty, don't it, y'all? Okay, so all right, and then it says just rip upwards. I'm just put my hand on the wall like this. Just rip. It's not as sticky as like the other wax. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3. That didn't do shit. It didn't do nothing, y'all. I still have hair. Alright. I stuck it back on. Cause this ain't do nothing. If this don't work for me, I already opened up one pack. I will send somebody the other 20 strips if y'all want to use it on like y'all legs or your eyebrows or something. Cause like I said, I don't feel confident that it's on there correctly. Like, it's not like pulling anything. It's pulling something, but it's not pulling enough. Like, what the hell is? Look at my underarms. Yeah, they just sticky. What the fuck? That didn't work out. I'm gonna try the other arm now. I am gonna try the other arm. It's like I'm gonna try it. Now, I'm gonna dry my underarm a little bit. It's not wet, but I'm just gonna make sure there is no moisture there, cause that didn't work. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this other wax strip because, like I said, I feel like it's just too wide. So I'm gonna cover up some of this other wax and cut that part off to make it a thinner strip. I'm very disappointed. So I can give me a thinner strip. Let's try the other arm. How disappointing. I'm over here chopping this thing up. All right, so I gotta. My underarms like really sticking together, yo. I'm gonna have to pull out my regular wax. All right, so you put it onto the hair, right? Smooth it out. This time should exceed no more than 6 seconds. I think maybe it should. Or are you trying to say that I got too much hair? Is that what they trying to say? Maybe they trying to say I had too much hair. All right. I think they're trying to tell me I have too much hair. And it don't say nothing about having too much hair. Like, that's all they came off. Like, what the hell is that? All right, well, that was a fail. So I'm going to go with what I know, my handy dandy wax kit. These strips don't work for my underarms. I would assume it, like I said, it pulled out some hair. So I would assume it will work for your eyebrows. I don't think it'll work for the yanni. It'll work for your arms, like I said, or like, this is ridiculous. I'm just sticky, so I'm gonna have to wash up. It will work for your legs. So yep, I will be giving these 2 away. I was gonna wait till I get to 500 subscribers to do my first giveaway, but I will be doing a beauty giveaway on some products, so a lucky lady can have an at-home spa day, because I know some stuff is still closed down. So follow me on Instagram at Melanated Beauty, and I will be giving away, like I said, some products. So stay tuned. Follow me for the details on that coming up soon. Peace, love, and hair grease. My arms are stuck together still. No, this was a fail.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow in the stone for you. For the record.